Hello guys, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. I hope your day is fine. Today I'm bringing you an interesting video. You're going to see how I make moringa oil from moringa leaves. I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Moringa oil is used for treating skin infection and it can be used to moisturize the hair. To make moringa oil, I'm going to start by removing the leaves from the stem, and then I'm going to proceed to rinsing the leaves first. The amount of leaf you remove depends on the amount of oil you want to extract. Every part of moringa is very useful. You can use the leaves, the bark, and the seeds. You can also extract the oil from the seeds and use it for your cooking or for your hair. I'm going to be showing you how you can make the oil from the leaves. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rinse this thoroughly to make sure there's no sand, because it's what you're going to use on your skin and on your hair, so you have to keep it clean. I'm just going to spread the washed leaf in a strainer like this. You can easily keep this in the sun to dry. So I'm just going to leave this in the sink and allow the water to drain completely. After drying the leaves, I'm going to go ahead and reduce them into smaller sizes. Once I'm done reducing the leaves into smaller sizes, the next thing you're going to need is a small bowl like this. So into the bowl, I'm going to add in my carrier oil. You can use grapeseed oil, sesame oil, or coconut oil, any oil that you know is of benefit to you. So after adding the oil into the bowl, I'm going to bring the leaves which I have just cut into the oil. Next, I'm going to use a spoon to stir the oil to make sure the leaves are totally immersed in the oil. After stirring this, if I notice the oil is not enough, I'm just going to add more oil into this and make sure the leaves are totally covered with the oil. After that, I'm going to place the pan on heat, then add some water into it. Just before the water starts to boil, I'm going to add in the bowl containing the leaves. So I'm going to be using a double boiling method to get the oil, and I'm going to begin stirring this as soon as the water starts to boil. So I'm going to be stirring this from time to time to make sure the oil is fully infused. So I'm stirring this just like I said. Just make sure you stand close by. Okay guys, I've been cooking this for the past 40 minutes. Once you notice the oil has assumed the color of the leaves, that means it's ready, so you can turn off your heat. Now I'm going to take this out of the water and leave it to cool down completely. Once the oil has cooled down, I'm going to strain this to get rid of the leaves. And here is your homemade moringa oil. It can be used on the scalp to treat dandruff. Moringa oil helps to promote hair growth, and also you can apply this on your skin. It helps to treat inflammation such as joint pain. Okay guys, this was how to make moringa oil at home. I hope you really loved this video. If you do, remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like the video. And you can also do well by sharing this video with your friends and loved ones. And I would love to see you next time in another interesting video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye for now.